how to fix Instagram enable to use this effects on your device on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Android or iOS. First, go to Play Store and here make sure your Instagram is updated, and if you can't find here updates, click on install and install it again. And now let's move to the next step. Go to settings, click battery, make sure power saving mode is disabled. Go to apps again, type here Instagram, click on it. Now click force stop and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, restart your phone and click battery, enable performance mode. If you found it here, enable it, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.